Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. I want to try this and see if I can do this. I'm getting ready to retire, so I want to get me a little hustle going, okay? Name of the channel is Gators Recovery, Ride Along, and More, because I do a little bit of everything. We're going to haul some cars, we're going to go get some golf carts, get some trailers. We might even haul a refrigerator one day. But we're also going to eat. Because when we go on these little rides with my wife, she picks out little restaurants and we try them out. So we'll review those for you as well. But in this first video, you're going to see me and her go pick up this car. It's a little bit of a pain to get loaded because the guy told me the transmission worked, but it didn't. But anyway, you're gonna see us go get this car. What I'm going to do with this car is sell parts off of it. Okay? I got $300 in this car. I'm hoping to double my money, but if I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. But that's what we're going to do. We're also going to be doing some trailers. Okay? There'll be another video on how I turned that into a brand new trailer. But until then, I hope you like what you watch. Hopefully it'll work out and we'll be seeing each other more. Have a good day. Yeah, the majority of the weight's on the front. These things are wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
Right.
To be able to move those back and forth to adjust to the car.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but I'm missing a strap. Right there it is. Hard to do, but it's and you don't want some Dollar Tree strap either.
Nope.
Okay, one more and then we'll set her down. Why don't you take?
It's gonna be in the truck in a minute. You left your door open.
That's all right. We take him home. Cooking for supper. in the Classic. That ain't going nowhere. Okay. We're good. Okay, people, next clip in the process. This is the junk car that we bought. We took a few parts off of it. Gonna take a few more. Get the trunk lid, the tailgate, or not the tailgate, the tail light. Pull the tires off of it. Tires are still good. So we'll do that. As you can see, this one wasn't really repairable, so to speak. So we took all the front sheet metal off of it, a couple of parts on the inside. Had most of it sold, but as usual, the people don't show up when they say they will. So this is what's left of it. There's a lot of good parts left on it. The motor's still good. The transmission was bad was the problem with it, that and the fact that it was wrecked. I'm not going to junk cars on every video. But, if the right one comes along, I think I can make a little money off of it, then so be it. All right, that's going to be the end of the video for this. This will be the closeout. If you guys want to see it, go to the junkyard. I'll take you through that process too. Most of the time, I'm going to be buying cars and fixing them and selling them, getting them back on the road. And I'm not brand specific. Whatever is a good deal, that's what I'm buying. I hope you guys like what you've seen. Give me suggestions, because this is my first video. I need to know what you like, what you don't like. You're not going to hurt my feelings. Tell me how it is, okay? This one here is going to be the next video, this trailer right here, because you can make money on these trailers too. You're not going to get rich doing things like this, but you can make some money, okay? Until then, do what you do. Like, subscribe, do all that. Hit the bell, do all that good stuff, okay? I guess that's about it. All right. Peace.